Hi, Dr. Adriana Huertas from Synergy Oviedo Chiropractic. Not sure if you need chiropractic care after your car accident? Well, let me clear that up. If you're dealing with neck pain, back pain, headaches, stiffness, or numbness after a crash, those are red flags. Your spine and nervous system may be injured. Even if you feel fine right after the accident, symptoms can show up days or weeks later. Chiropractic care focuses on realigning your spine, reduces inflammation, helping your body heal naturally without relying on painkillers. Whether it's a whiplash, a disc injury, or muscle tension, a chiropractor can find the root cause and create a custom recovery plan just for you. Don't wait until the pain gets worse. Find out if chiropractic care is right for your recovery by visiting synergyoviedo.com and schedule your appointment.